everyone. In this video, I am going to go over how to figure out a problem using the gross profit method. The gross profit method is a way to estimate ending inventory. Why would you want to estimate ending inventory? Well, maybe management just wants to kind of forecast what ending inventory would be. Or it could be something worse. It could be that the business had a fire and they can't determine how much is still left. It could be that they had a tornado or something like that. So the bottom line is this is an way to estimate ending inventory. Okay, so in the software and in the book, you're going to complete a multiple choice problem. But I'm going to break this down more so that if I put this on the final, you are understanding the pieces. Okay, so here's the problem. It says the following information is available for Donovan Corporation for 3 months ended June 30th, 2021. Okay, so they have merchandise inventory April 1st, 2021. Well, that's your beginning inventory. So you just go over here and you would put 750,000. Okay, then it says sales. We're not going to use that yet. That will not be in your schedule of goods available. So the next piece that we're going to use is purchases. We will add in our purchases, 2,600,000. Okay, next item I see, freight in. Remember we talked about this. Freight in, you will add that into inventory. If it said freight out, no, you would not include it. But this says freight in, so yes, I am going to include it, 122,000. I add up my three numbers, and that gives me 3,472,000. Okay? All right, now, that is your schedule of goods available. That's what's sitting in the inventory before you're going to estimate. All right? So now, how do you estimate? Well, the problem gives you sales, and it gives you gross margin or gross profit, same meaning, is 30% of sales. Well, what piece is it missing? It's missing cost of goods sold. So you have to determine what the cost of goods sold figure is. All right, let me show you how you're going to do that. You are going to take the sales. So let me kind of do this over here. You're going to take sales, and then you're going to multiply it by 30%, which is the gross profit rate. Okay, so the sales in this particular problem were 3,700,000. Okay, you'd multiply it by 0.30, and that will give you 1,110,000. Okay, you subtract it, and that gives you 2,590,000. This piece is your COGS. All right, so now I'm going to double check my figures. There's a quicker way we can do this. Just like I taught you in class about tax to quickly get the tax. We could have done it this way, so watch. We could have taken sales, then parentheses. Remember, the number 1 is constant, will never change. You could subtract it from the gross profit rate. Remember, this is 1.00. This is 0.30. And that gives you 0.70. So we could take the sales, 3,700,000, and then multiply it by 0.70. I'm just going to double check my number. Okay. 3,700 times 0.70 gives me, yep, 2,590,000. So we quickly get the COGS figure. Okay, that's a quick way. The software will probably make you do it that way, but I wanted to show you both ways. Okay, all right, so now I just put in my figure, and I went a little bit over. gotta get rid of that. So now I'm going to put in my COGS, which is 2,590,000. I will subtract it, and what will that give me? That will give me 882,000. What is that number? That is my ending inventory. So understand each piece. This piece is my COGS. This piece is my ending inventory. And that's it. That's how you do the gross profit method. Okay? All right, get in, get that homework done, and then it's coming up quick. We're going to be having the finals, so I'm working on that, and I will see you soon.